How to change emoji color on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up any of the app or notes or anything that you can have your keyboard pop on. So I'm going to go for Play Store application over here. Then go on the search bar and tap on the search bar. So as you tap on it, your keyboard will pop up over here at the bottom. So what you need to simply do is press on the emoji icon at the bottom of the screen over here. Right now it's in the bottom left corner of the screen in my Android device. So I'm going to make a long press and it will tap me to emoji. Now here you can see numerous emojis over here. Now if you want to change the emoji color on Android, so right now the color of the emoji of this emoji is right this one. Now if I want to change the color, what you can simply do is make a long press on the image or the emoji, and then you can select different skin tones or different colors over here. So I'm going to choose on this one over here, and there you go, you have successfully changed the emoji color on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.